Whew. Holy mackerel. Let's talk about high prices. This is a little bit of what you got coming up in 2026. So, talking about groceries. Went to the Sam's Club today. By 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 items. $102. I know that Sam's Club, they have bulk stuff and a lot of their stuff. It's kind of expensive. But 7 items, $102. Good gosh. Went to the Aldi. Bought not that many items. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 items. This is the Aldi. Aldi. We're talking about Aldi.
We're talking about Aldi.
15 items. $44.53. I know we bought a couple items. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil. $7.25. Man, I hope those olive oils can do a little something. So here's the big shocker. My granddaughter went to the Walmart marketplace. Check this out. Take a look at this. 3 items from Walmart. Alright. I know that was a shocker. I hope you were sitting down. But we're going to wrap this one up. We'll show you something good. Check this out.
We talk about high prices, but I tell you, can't complain about that.
Alright. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.